Now, third type of the acid is tribasic acid. Third is tribasic acid. Acids which on ionization in water produce 3 hydronium ions per molecule of the acid are known as tribasic acid. For example, phosphoric acid H3PO4. It gives 3H plus. Therefore, its basicity is 3. Here is the important note is tribasic acid gives two types of acidic salt and one type of normal salt. For example, H3PO4, that is phosphoric acid, when react with only 1 mole of NaOH to produce NaH2PO4 plus hydronium ion. NaH2PO4 is also termed as acidic salt sodium hydrogen phosphate. In the second step, sodium hydrogen phosphate again react with next mole of sodium hydroxide and again produce disodium hydrogen phosphate Na2HPO4. Na2HPO4 are termed as disodium hydrogen phosphate. It is also called normal salt. And the third step, disodium hydrogen phosphate again react with NaOH and gives a sodium phosphate Na3PO4, which is termed as normal salt. Sodium phosphate Na3PO4 termed as normal salt, since it neither contain H plus nor contain OH negative. And next, fourth one is the tetrabasic. Fourth one is tetrabasic. Acid which gives 4H3O plus are termed as tetrabasic acid. For example, silicic acid. Its formula is H4SiO4 are termed as tetrabasic acid, since it provides 4 times of hydronium ions. Here is the most important note is that all hydrogen atom which is present in the molecular formula of acid are not termed as acid, are not termed as basicity. For example, CH3COH, although it contains 4 hydrogen atoms, but its basicity only 1. So for the basicity, responsible hydrogen of the only ionizable hydrogen. In acidic acid, these three hydrogen which is bonded to the carbon atom are not ionizable hydrogen. In the acidic acid, only one hydrogen, this one is, that is bonded to the oxygen atom responsible for the basicity. So, all hydrogen atom which is present in the molecular formula are not responsible of the basicity. Only ionizable or replaceable or acidic hydrogen are responsible for the basicity. Therefore, basicity of the acetic acid is 1. And the next second most important note is that we take another example is like boric acid, BOH whole thrice or H3BO3. It is the molecular formula of boric acid. According to molecular formula, we can see that basicity of the boric acid should be 3, but it is not true, since in the structure of boric acid, like this, its central atom is boron, that is electron deficient. Electron deficient means contain less than 8 electrons. So in the structure of boric acid, its central atom boron is electron deficient, means contain only 6 electrons. So when boric acid dissolve in H2O, its central atom boron accept one lone pair from the oxygen atom of H2O and complete its octet and gives another structure, that is this type. So, basicity of the boric acid decided the lone pair, since its central atom boron accept only one lone pair, therefore its basicity is 1.